In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons. A quick and easy process that should only take about 5 minutes. If you're like many users, you might find that OneDrive syncing your desktop icons can be a bit of a nuisance, either cluttering your cloud storage with unnecessary files or just interrupting your workflow. Let's dive into how you can adjust your settings to avoid this. First, you'll want to navigate to your taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon which represents OneDrive. It's usually located in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. This is your gateway to accessing all things OneDrive, and it's the starting point for changing your sync settings. Once you've clicked on the cloud icon, you'll be presented with a menu. Here, you need to select the Help and Settings icon. It appears as a small gear or cogwheel symbol. This icon is your access point to all the behind the scenes settings that control how OneDrive interacts with your files. Now you should see an option labelled Settings in the drop down menu. Give that a click. This menu item will open a new window, allowing you to modify how OneDrive operates on your computer. In this new window, look for the section labelled Sync and Backup. This is where you manage how and what OneDrive syncs from your device to the cloud and vice versa. Click on Sync and Backup to proceed, taking you one step closer to limiting what OneDrive syncs. Next, you'll see an option called Manage Backup. Click on this button to access more detailed controls regarding the specific folders and files OneDrive backs up automatically. You'll notice switches next to several categories, including desktop. To prevent OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons, you'll want to toggle off the switch next to desktop. This action tells OneDrive to stop backing up your desktop items, keeping those files local to your machine rather than uploading them to the cloud. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. There will be a Save Changes button likely at the bottom of the window. Click it to ensure that all the adjustments you've made take effect. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully told OneDrive to stop syncing your desktop icons. This process not only helps declutter your cloud storage, but can also make operating your computer just a bit smoother and more streamlined. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, these changes can always be reversed if needed, so don't hesitate to adjust the settings to best match your preferences and needs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.